Yeah, good day everyone. I go by name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Yeah, presently I'm still teaching people on how to make money on Clickbank, and so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you.
Yeah, good evening. I go by name Scarlett, and if you are seeing this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, the purpose of you seeing this video is because you want to learn on how to make money online from home or from anywhere of your choice. So with this video, you are going to be learning on how to make $4,000 weekly from home, and even as a beginner, you are going to be earning $4,000 weekly. Yes, so I'm going to be training you on Clickbank affiliate marketing. And Clickbank or affiliate marketing is just a platform where you sell a product for a company and you get commission for each product to sell. And as we all know that marketing or selling products for someone, there are strategies and things you need to know, and there are techniques by which you can get customers and sell products successfully. And that is where I'm coming, because I have a software which I'll be using to make sales on Clickbank affiliate marketing, and it's also applicable to other affiliate marketing platforms like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and the likes. So this software works by gathering more than 2,000 organic traffic daily and promoting your affiliate product or link to this organic traffic for you to get commission. And with this software, you're going to be getting a minimum from $400 to $700 daily. Yes, as you can see on the screen, this is my own personal account. It's been long I display my own personal account due to my working on my student account. Yes, I manage accounts for people, for my students. If you are getting my software video course and maybe you need me to manage your account, you may have more than one account and you want me to manage one and you work on one yourself, I manage accounts for my students. So I'll be busy. That's why I've not been posting my own videos and results, because I'm also working on my own account, and I have people that work with me too that work on students account, and many works are going on. Yeah, as a software developer, I have many software which I'll be using, but I have this software for sale now because it is giving me great results, and also my students, and it's up for sale now. So with this software, you are going to be having access to more than 2,000 organic traffic daily and getting these excellent results like the one you can see on the screen. So let me refresh the page for you so that you know that I'm saying something. So as you can see, this is the refresh page. So to get the software video course, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to get it now. Also, if you are getting my software video course, I'll be giving you I'll be creating an account for you if you don't have an account, and if you have restriction on opening an account, because there are some countries that have restriction on opening Clickbank accounts. Not every country is allowed to open Clickbank account, so not mind your location, I'm going to open one account for you if you are getting my software video course, and I'm going to be guiding you. But my video course is self-explanatory to guide you step by step to start any. And if you have any question or you need any guidance, I'm always available for you. Yes, my students know that. So once again, I go by name Skyward, and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.